In this video, I will show you how to move your Skype chats and contacts to Teams. Recently, Microsoft announced that Skype will no longer be available starting in May 2025. By logging into Microsoft Teams with your Skype account, your chats and contacts will appear in the app so you can pick up where you left off. Alternatively, you can export your Skype data. Let's examine each one. You may have seen the above notice when you launch the Skype app on your device. Two options are available here: start using Teams and export data. Move your Skype chats and contacts to Teams. Launch the Skype app on your device and tap Start using Teams. This may start downloading Microsoft Teams on your device, so wait for the downloading process to complete. If Microsoft Teams is already installed on your Mac, skip these installation steps. Then, follow the on-screen steps to install the Microsoft Teams app. Afterward, enter your device password to allow the installer to install new software and click the Install Software button. Now, enter your Skype password and click the Sign In button. The installation process is successful. Click on the Close button. You can see welcome screen openings on Microsoft Teams and a message that says, "We're moving your Skype chats and contacts." Now, your Skype chats and contacts are ready. So, click on the Get Started button. That's it. You have successfully moved your Skype chats and contacts to Teams. That's it. Export your Skype data. If you see prompt and see options to start using Teams and export data, click on Export Data. You'll be redirected to Microsoft's support page. The link is given in the video description. Click on Export and delete or clear messages and conversations. Then, follow the on-screen instructions and click on the Export page. The sign-in page opens here. Enter your sign-in details, such as your email ID or mobile number, and hit the Next button. Then, enter your sign-in password and hit the Next button. Make sure you remember your sign-in details. Select the option to stay signed in. Afterward, you can request a copy of your files and chat history. Select the checkbox next to Conversations and Files, and then hit the Submit Request button. A message prompt will appear on your device screen. Your export is being prepared. Tap on the Continue button. This process may take some time. You can periodically check the status of your export on this page. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.